Hi, I'm Charlie, and this is my video for the last 20 blogs in this trimester. So the first one is the park test practice, supposed to say, and it was for math, and it has like all my answers in there, and then the next blog is my favorite book so far this year. My favorite book was The Maze of Bones because it was like I really got into it, and now I'm like in the second series. This we're not doing yet. So modeling Earth's rotation and revolution, I wasn't here. The State of Nature story was a story where we woke up and we were in a state of nature and we had to adjust to it, but we were doing like all the things right. I learned like different writing skills in this, and I really liked it because hold on. I really liked it because we got to it was like really free, so we could do a lot, and I'm proud of it because like this is my whole story. I'm proud of it because it was really long, and I really liked it. Next one is Models of the Sun and Shadow. This was like these questions were like about shadows and like how long shadows are.
Ashley, you're not allowed to sit with Anna and Michelle. Do you understand? Go sit with your partner at the end of the hallway. I don't know what I missed.
That was the first. That was the second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, that was the fifth one. Sixth is tracking shadows during a day. So it was this graph is like at 9:24 a.m. the shadow was 10.6 centimeters long, and then around noon it got really short, and then at 2:13 it got longer again. And that's how I tracked it. There was a battery right there. Then we tracked where the shadow was. I'm proud of this one because I really liked it, and I learned like how different how long shadows are during different parts of the day, and I also learned like where the shadows are placed in different parts of the day. Okay, let's see. How many was it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that was my 6. So 7 is proving Earth rotates around the sun. This video is proving that Earth rotates around the sun, not the sun rotates around Earth. And then these are my questions. 8 is environmental challenge. So in this, we had to come up with an environmental
make sure your sound's on so you don't record without sound. Although you need to mute your speakers, but sound is that arrow key that points down. I don't know how to describe it to you, but you should know what I'm talking about because I explained it before.
So
give me 5. If you don't want to make that screeching sound, you turn up the volume bar on the new screen recording thing, but on your computer, turn the volume all the way down.
Okay.
You mute your computer.
Okay. So this we had to come up with a problem that was in the environment, and I chose like that there was so much trash on the ground, and I came up with a different garbage truck to fix part of the problem. So that was 8. So 9 is observing shadow patterns. This is a photo taken from I forget what box it's called. But so it's like it's kind of like a time lapse. So each tag is placed at noon. So this is like the summer solstice because the shadows get longest. This is the summer solstice because the sun is highest in the sky. This is the fall and spring equinoxes because they're both the same, and the winter equinox, winter solstice because the sun doesn't get very hot. All of these lines are each day what the sun's patches. And I like this because we get to figure out, and use our problem-solving skills to figure out like which point is what place. And I learned I learned about like the solstices and the equinoxes in this. So for day and night, this is like showing how day happens and how night happens, and like let's see. Earth's gravitational force. And here the tennis ball was like the Earth, and my finger was like the person, and the rubber band was gravity. And if I tried to like pull up, I couldn't get out of the gravitational pull because it was too strong. And I learned like how strong gravitational pull is, and this is trying to represent craters by dropping marbles in. It was really fun because you got to drop stuff and it was like hands-on. These are the synthesis questions. Modeling Earth's shape is. These were notes from the videos. About like how they know Earth was a ball. And day 2, I made a video on and explaining it. Human body research paper that was here it is. It's about it's 6 different I think 6 different systems in the body, and I explained it all. It was really fun because you got to research about it, and then you got to research, and then you got to write your own story about each different system. I learned everything I wrote, so I learned like a lot, like what's the difference between veins and arteries. I didn't know that. And I learned about like the 4 chambers. I learned like how air flows through your body, and those were my comments.
We had to make a whole paper about the human body.
Then the digestive system, and the nervous system. And then we have a bibliography of all the different websites we use to get our information. Okay. Next, how our muscles know when to move. This was on Science Companion, and we had to answer these questions. And this was my partner, and we threw a ball at the plastic, and you tried not to flinch. It was fun. And then these are the questions. They were all answered here. writing a scene in
And this is
June.
the other student conference.
We watched these videos about Ice Age and answered the questions, and then because we are basing we were basing our Junebug story kind of off different cartoon kid movies or books, because like that's kind of what it was about. Junebugs was about like these Junebugs, and you wrote a story about them. This was student-led conference last trimester, and then this is how our muscles get the nutrients they need. These were two mixes. Cup 1 had enzymes, cup 2 didn't, so that's why they look a little different. And this was kind of trying to look like blood, I think, and all the nutrients in the blood. And then those are the questions in science class. World Kindness Day was a day where we tried to be kind, and then in our class we wrote a story about we wrote like a sentence about kindness. And then school-wide fiction lesson 13, that was about the Can Man, the story, and we had questions about the story. One more I'll do. Okay, Donald Trump is the new president. So this was right after the presidential election. This shows like which states were Republican, the red are Republican, and the blue are Democratic, and like the in between mostly were those 4 states are Minnesota, Michigan, Arizona, Alaska, and 5 New Hampshire. Even though Hillary Clinton won the popular vote, Trump won the election because he won more electoral votes. I like this because we learned about politics, which I'm really interested in, and we explained like how Illinois is a Democratic state, and like a few things about Trump, like when he'll take office, and how Trump won 276 to 218. I'm proud of this because, let's see, because I feel I wrote what was important and like all the things that was important and what I needed to do. That's a closer look at it. Hillary got 218, Trump got 276. And that's my student-led conference video.